Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a Chinese watercress soup. Chinese watercress, also called Chinese spinach. It is rich in vitamin A, C, and K, and also contains minerals like calcium and iron. Cantonese loves using it to make soup. Today I will share a soup recipe that my family loves. It is simple to make and is nourishing and flavorful. Okay, let's start now. 300 gram pork wrist. I do not want the soup too oily, therefore I remove the fat as much as I can. Cut the pork wrist shorter if it's a long strip. Blanch the pork wrist first before using it to make soup. Prepare a pot of tap water. Put the pork wrist in, 2 slices of ginger, half teaspoon white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon cooking wine, 1 teaspoon garlic powder. Give it a few stirs, turn the heat on to high and bring it to slightly boil. While the pork is blanching, we prepare the rest of the ingredients. 100 gram Chinese watercress. The Chinese watercress can be simply just washed clean under the tap water. However, I like to use the delicate portion of each straw. Remove the portion that the leaves has turned yellow and use the fingertip to take the delicate portion out. And then wash thoroughly under the tap water. 3 shiitake mushrooms and cut it to half. I used the fresh shiitake mushroom. You can also use dried shiitake mushroom. 1 carrot and cut it to few pieces. Now the blanching is done. Remove the pork wrist to a plate and rinse under the tap water for a few times. Let's start cooking now. Spray some oil to the pork. I use cast iron pork. You can use stainless steel pork or other material pork. Put the blanched pork wrist in. Slightly pan fry both sides. And then put the shiitake mushroom in. Pan fry shiitake mushroom until the aroma is slightly released. And then put the carrot and 3 slices of ginger in. Give everything a few good stirs. And then pour in 500 ml boiled water. Put 1/4 teaspoon white pepper powder and half teaspoon garlic powder to the soup. Give it a few stirs to mix the seasoning with the soup, and then put the lid on and cook for 20 minutes. 20 minutes later, open the lid, put salt in to your preference. Give it a few stirs to mix the salt with the soup and check the carrot if it has been cooked fully softened. If it is not, cook for a little bit longer until it is fully softened. Finally, put the Chinese watercress in, mix it well with the soup, and then put the lid on and let it cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes later, open the lid. The soup is done. This soup is light and tasty. Watercress is crunchy and refreshing. Carrot provides a light sweetness to the soup and very soft in texture. Pork ribs are still tender and I like to dip with light soy sauce when eating. My family and I love this soup very much. I hope you will give this recipe a try, and if you like it, please share it out. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. Bye!